So assessing this roof, again, this tree is the main culprit for wanting some gutter protection on this area. We can see that even though the tree is over the top of here, the one thing about this tree is not too bad when you have a look down to the other end. It is on the south side of the property, and on the south side of the property, generally the winds come from the west and the north. So most of the debris will flow away from here, but when it's sitting over the house or over this building, as prominent as it is, you're going to find that you're going to get debris fairly heavy in most areas around this gutter line. That's something that we're going to have to clean out, but there's a lot of debris in that gutter, and this tree here definitely needs to be cut back. Firstly, to stop overhanging things from falling into it, and even maybe branches falling onto the mesh, which you don't want, and potentially anything that's got a roof that's overhanging, a tree that's overhanging a roof, you might want to consider something a bit stronger just in case you get a branch falling onto it. So that way that there's, that it won't penetrate the mesh if something does fall. So part of assessing this roof, we can see that there's hips and valleys here. So we have to assess it to know how to install and what to install. So the valley is something that we'll go through a little bit later. But part of it, the second part would be the colour of the roof. I can already assess that this is wind spray. You can get swatches, and you should get swatches so that you can match these colours up well, because we've got the whole 22 colour range. So it's wind spray. And what we have also assessed is that the gutter is monument. So you can match the gutter trim in monument, and you match the mesh and the saddles in wind spray.